Hi everyone, Kat here. Today I am making fresh homemade rice noodles. This is my dad's recipe. He's not here to help me with it, so hopefully I'm doing it correctly and it will turn out good. Otherwise I have to wait till I see him next time to watch him and record him. But anyways, what this is rice flour. I've been cooking this on low heat for about 20 minutes, stirring it constantly until it's this consistency. Gotta be smooth. Get out all the lumps as much as you can when you're stirring it, you guys. Okay, so this is 20 minutes of cooking it on the stove on low heat. Basically what this is just a mixture of rice flour and water. I add about half a cup of rice flour to about 2 cups of water, mix it really good, and then I threw it in the pot on low heat and stir, let it cook. As it thickens up, I keep adding more water until you get to this consistency. So you're gonna keep adding water until it looks like this, okay? I think I added probably about 3.5, almost 4 cups of water total to this. Okay, so once it's cooked, I was told to let it set aside, let it cool down completely before we add it to our dry mixture, okay? Oh, actually, I'm gonna transport it to a bowl so that it cools up faster. See, should be like this, guys, okay? Okay, guys, next step, you're gonna need a big bowl. This is 1 bag of the rice flour. I'm gonna use the rest of the rice flour that we used to cook the flour earlier, okay? So I'm gonna use the rest of the bag. And we're gonna add some tapioca starch to it. Let's do half a bag of this. I think it's about that much, yeah. It's a little bit more. So half a bag of this tapioca flour, okay? Okay, that's half a bag. Okay? And then we're going to mix this all together. Okay, and then we're going to slowly add in water. Tap water. And we're going to knead this until it's doughy, okay? Here. Yeah, so basically what you want to do is you want to get it to a dough consistency. So far that's 3 cups. Okay, keep adding. So yeah, you definitely want to make sure your hands are clean and washed, because you're going to be using your hands to do this. Okay, that's some more. I need muscle to do this. This is how my dad makes his rice noodle. I know everyone makes it differently, but this is passed on to him from generations. And I should have really learned how to make this from him. But he's always been the one making it, so I never need the need to ever learn it. But now that as he's getting older, I realize that things like this, you should learn, you know. See, so it's like this. Sorry, the lighting. Okay, so you want to continue doing this until it's soft. And I'm eyeballing everything, so bear with me. I don't really have down the exact measurements. Okay, so once you get it doughy like this, I'm gonna add in our cooked rice flour, okay? Add it all in there. And you want to make sure that the cooked rice flour was completely cooled down, okay guys? Sticky, see? And this is like my dad says, he can't really give correct measurements because it's different every time. Sometimes he add more water, sometimes it's less. It just really depends how he's mixed it. But you want it to be liquidy, somewhat like this, I think. This might be a long video because I think you need to see it from step to step. Okay, so I'm basically unclumping any clumps that I can feel with my hands. Can't let the bowl's too heavy and that, guys. See how it just smoothly comes down? It's not too thick and not too thin or too runny. So this is the consistency that you probably be needing to get to, okay? Like that, guys. And now this is ready to be steamed. Okay. Oh, by the way, I forgot the most important part too before we steam it. Gotta add some oil. So hold on a second here. Okay, so we've always used corn oil, so that's what works for us. I don't know about any other type of oil, but let me see. Let's start with our 1/4 cup. See, I almost forgot this step. Okay, just throw it in there like that. Mix it. This is going to keep it from sticking to the pan, hopefully. I added enough oil. Add maybe another tablespoon of it. Okay, guys, just like that. I still think it needs more oil. Let me see that glistening oil. Let's add a little bit more than another tablespoon. And usually he makes it in large quantities, so this for this amount, I'm not sure the exact measurement, guys. I feel like it still needs more oil. We'll see. Let's try cooking one first, and if we need more oil, we'll just add to it. Okay, so that's the way it should be, guys, like this, all right?